So get this. A guy put some money on my PayPal account. My sister went to Walmart today with me, took me to get some groceries. And I painted these because I had some of the brown for my, what do you call that thing there? Non-Alaskan hauler back there. And for that trailer right there, here's my wheels, my caps that I'm making. They got the brown on it. It's black normally. But I ran out of red primer that I use for adding to the rust. And I sort of, just out of shits and giggles, pull into the Smith Country Sales here because they got I should turn that down so you guys can hear me. So anyways, I said some guy put some money on my PayPal and I bought some cat treats and stuff and I had some left over. I ran out of red primer. I won't have none left from all my rusting technique stuff. I use flat black, but it keeps turning out shiny red all the time, or shiny black, and I hate that. I want flat black. I need flat black for rust, you know. And for all my rusting technique, you need flat black. You know, you can't have any glossy shit. It always comes out shiny all the time. But here's my wheels that I had done outside. Here's the inside. Ooh, abracadabra. Like the old boombox. Got external speakers. One there and one there. They're 8-inch. Got them cheap years ago. So anyways, we stopped at this discount store. I used to have paid $1.89 a can. Like I got those. The cat yellow. $1.89. That's from box down here. This is from years ago. So anyways, I said I ran out of the red primer. This place I'd never ever expected to find my red primer. I just ran out. Guess what they had? They had my flat black that I needed. And they had the red primer. And I'm like, wow. They didn't have hardly anything else for variety or selections, you know. They had like really weird off the wall stuff, you know, like shit like this is what I got, you know. Stuff that no one ever really wanted. They have a whole bunch of this red primer there. And they have a bunch of this flat black. It probably won't last long because somebody will go there and they'll buy every single one and be gone. Like next week it'll all be gone. Look at Fleet Farm, you want $9.99. $4.50. Still, you know, it's not $1.86, but this is a tall can. They usually wanted, I think it was $2.99 last time I went there, $2.99 for tall cans, but shit. Awesome, man. I mean, wow. It was like a match made in heaven again. I needed some so bad. I'm like, all I got was the brown on here. This is what I use for my brown, for my rust. This is my base coat usually, and it's nice and flat. I missed it sometimes with the gray. It's got. Yeah, I just ran out of my red primer. I'll probably save the cap on, or the sprayer. But yeah, holy shit, man. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jim Folker. You little Folker. Thank you so much, man. So I'm going to go do some painting today. I get most everything done for that truck. Maybe I'll get the wheels done. I'm thinking of leaving the back wheels chrome just for shits and giggles, but I had I had done this one, the last thing I had done for it. The red primer ended up being, it didn't have much in it, so it was shiny. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Got my engine glued in. Damn thing sticks up a little too high out of the hood. So I don't know, I gotta cut my little dick down a little bit there, so. Well, I don't know, if nothing else. I'm gonna do a box opening on that. Show you all the parts for it so I can get that done someday. The box for that is up there. The box for that is right there. Jump around, that's how my camera's doing. Alright. Take it easy. Check in again. Maybe I'll be getting that thing done pretty soon. Mosquito.